Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a C program for nPr. nPr means permutation in mathematics. What is the formula of nPr? nPr is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. We have to make the program of nPr using recursion. Okay, so let's start. Int main, and I will take n and r variable, and I will write here print enter n and r here, and I will take the input of n and r in the next line, percent d comma ampersand n comma ampersand r. Okay, and I will call the function here, and first I will make the function to find the factorial of a number. Okay, and from that function we will find the factorial of n minus r and n. Okay, and I will make the function int fact, and I will pass one parameter in this function int num. Okay, and if the num is 0 or 1, then the factorial should be 1. The factorial of 0 is 1. Okay, and I will write a condition if num is equal to 0 or num is equal to 1, then it should return return and return what 1, because the factorial of 0 and 1 is 1. Okay, and after that return how to find the factorial num into, I will call the function factorial num minus 1. Okay, and this is the function to find the factorial of a number, and I will make another function, and I will name that function npr. Okay, and I will pass two arguments in this function, int n and int r. Okay, and in this function I will return factorial of n upon factorial of n minus r. Return fac of n upon fac of n minus r. So this is the function to find the find the value of npr, find the value of permutation. And now I will call this function in main function. What is the name of function? npr, and I will pass arguments in n comma r, and I will write here return 0. Let's run the code. Enter n and r here. Let's take the value of n to be 6 and r to be 3. Enter. Sorry, I have to print that function. Let int t equal to this function, and let's print the function modulus d comma t. Okay, now the code will be run. Let the take the value of n be 6 and r be 3. Enter. So 6 factorial upon 3 factorial. What is the value of 6 factorial? 6 factorial is equal to 720 upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6, so 720 upon 6 is equal to 120. ठीक है, let's take another value of n and r. N is 5, and let's take r equal to 3. Okay, what should be the value? 5 factorial upon 5 minus 3 factorial means 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. It will be 5 into 4 into 3, because 2 into 1 will be cancelled out from the 2 factorial. So 5 into 3 into 4 will be equal to 5 4 are 20, and 20 into 3 60. It should return 60. So the output is 60. Okay? I hope you understood the question. See you in the next video. Thank you.